make sure you shop around and see what's out there, because just because you have a budget doesn't mean you can't get the style to match it. I suppose I started in the wrong manner. I was doing it to live in it, so if I had set off from day one that I was going to rent it out or Airbnb, I probably would have started in a different mindset. But what I did find is when I jumped to doing that, I put a budget in place and I worked through it, and I kind of set myself goals of what I could spend on certain parts of it. And yes, there's places where I went over budget, but there was other places where I could pull it back. It's so easy to lose a run of yourself, and it's so easy to basically go, it's a little bit more, it'll not match. But if you do that with everything, all of a sudden you end up very much so over budget. So for me, it was about really trying to set a budget at the start and then stick to it as best as I could. But obviously understanding that doing the right bit of research, a budget doesn't mean you can't get the style you want. Like, I'm really happy with the finish that I've got. I think it looks real good. I am Airbnb in it currently, so I'm getting plenty of reviews and stuff. They all tend to say the same thing about how well the house looks and how well it's finished. And I didn't break my budget. As I said, there was a few places where we went over slightly, but overall we stuck to it and still managed to create the look. So have a budget, but make sure you shop around and see what's out there, because just because you have a budget doesn't mean you can't get the style to match it.